Hi, in this video, I want to talk about why it is that 99% of people fail with affiliate marketing. And really, what is that one thing, the one thing that holds 99% of people back from achieving success? So let's go ahead and cue the intro and dive into the content here. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So today we're talking about that one thing, just the one thing that holds 99% of people back from really achieving success in affiliate marketing. And I know this for myself, from my own personal experience, that I failed for 10 years because of this one thing. And it's a big regret that I have, but something that I have now changed, and I'm starting the process of turning that around and doing the right thing instead. And so here it is. Here's that one thing, and that is the instant gratification mindset that we have in today's culture, in today's society. We expect that we can put something into the microwave and have a hot steaming meal ready in just 2 to 3 minutes, right? It's just instant gratification. We have Netflix. We can go and pick out any show that we want to watch on Netflix, as long as it's on Netflix, and we can watch it anytime we want to. We don't have to wait for the show to come on TV so we can actually watch the show that we want to watch. We don't even have to drive down to Blockbuster and go and rent a movie and go to the store and get that movie and bring it back home and pop it into the VCR to watch it, and then, at the end, go back and rewind it and then take it back to the store. We can download movies and TV shows instantly onto our devices. And this mindset of instant gratification is something that doesn't work for affiliate marketing. We need to accept the responsibility. We need to accept the reality that there's no such thing as get rich quick. That in order to succeed, it's going to take patience, perseverance, and consistent, focused effort on achieving those goals, of working towards those goals in order to see success. Me, I've taken the path. I've started this YouTube channel, and I'm doing a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge to build my channel, to get leads from my channel onto my sales funnel, and to get sales. And even at the end of 120 days, I don't expect big results from that. I don't expect to have tons of leads and a ton of sales. I expect that at the end of 120 days, I will have learned some skills, I will have built a habit, and I will have laid the foundation for my future success. And that's really it. If I get some leads and if I get some sales from that, great, all the better. But my goal is to build a habit that where for 10 years, I did not take action because I was always looking for the get rich quick scheme. I was always looking for the next shiny object. I was always looking for that next big thing. There were marketers telling me, oh, this is dead. Oh, this is the new thing. Oh, you need to be in this. If you don't do this, you're going to fail. And I was always looking for that next thing that was going to make me successful. But what I found is that the thing that's going to make me successful is me improving my mindset, developing skills, developing habits, and consistently doing the things every single day that I need to be doing to grow my audience, increase my influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And that's what you should focus on too. And if you can't do that, you will not succeed. Now, if you want to learn how to actually do this, if you want to learn marketing and sales and how to build an audience and how to make this all work, and if you want to leverage a done-for-you sales funnel, check out the link down below in this description of this video. It'll teach you that. It'll teach you the real process for learning to build a business online. And is patience. Patience is part of that process, and consistency and effort. You'll learn that process. And if you like this kind of content, I know it's a little bit of a rant, but make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.